Hey everybody, this is Travis and Dr. Steven from Crux Chiropractic. We've got a really cool exercise for you. This is called the bird dog. This is one of 3 great exercises from Dr. Stuart McGill. It's part of his big 3. Notice that Dr. Steven got down to the ground nice and safely. Setting this up, you're going to be on all 4s. We're going to make sure that the hands are directly underneath the shoulders, the knees are directly underneath the hips, your feet are bent, and your toes are on the floor. Now, if you're kind of trying to figure out what a neutral trunk or neutral spine is, I'll give you a really quick, easy way to figure that out. Dr. Steven, let's do some cat-cow. He's going to curl up, he's going to arch. I'll have him maybe do this one more time. And then Dr. Steven, just find the neutral position. Most times that's going to put you exactly where you need to be. All right, couple things. A lot of times we start to see people drop their head towards the floor. Instead, we're going to keep that nice and tall. Notice that Dr. Steven is pushing into the ground. We have a nice flat surface here. This looks really good. He's going to breathe in through the nose. He's going to breathe out through the nose. Okay, let's just start with one limb at a time. So Dr. Steven, let's take the right leg and let's reach behind you. Now, let's rep this out a couple times. What I do not want is Dr. Steven, lift the leg to the ceiling. See how that just distorts the posture? That's not what I want. Instead, I want Dr. Steven to reach behind him like he's trying to kick the door or the window behind him, and he's going to lengthen. He's going to stay very quiet here. Let's switch sides. Very good, nothing moves. Now let's go to the upper body. Again, notice how quiet his trunk is. As this arm reaches, the opposite arm is pushing into the ground, getting ground force reaction, creating tension in the trunk. Beautiful. So now let's progress to diagonal. He would do both opposite arm and leg at the same time. And again, it's a reach. Very good. Keeping the head nice and tall. And there should be no movement here. What I want you to think of is you're in a very narrow hallway. Do not touch either edge of that wall. Let's do one more on the other side. Excellent. This is the bird dog. This is a great way to start to get not just your trunk activated, but also your hips. And it does an incredible job of coordinating the upper body and the lower body. Thank you very much.